Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by readying the Dash payment method and confirming balance. Tap into the Singtel Dash app, top up with $5, $50, and select the card as default for transport. Once done, enable NFC on your phone. Make sure permission and screen-on settings allow quick taps at gates. If using a physical Dash card, inspect for damage and test a small charge at a kiosk. These first steps remove friction and prevent delays when you reach the MRT gantry. You now perform the transit action. Walk to the MRT gate and hold your phone or Dash card close to the reader until you see the green light or hear the beep. Tap once. Do not double tap or linger because the system processes one transaction quickly. If using a phone, make sure the app is running or NFC is awake. Otherwise, the reader may reject the payment. Once done, glance at the display or app for balance updates and transaction confirmation, so you're sure the ride is paid for. To finish, tap out at the exit gate exactly as you did on entry, and confirm the final balance and journey record in the app. If the gate rejects your Dash payment, remain calm. Use the intercom or go to the service counter for a manual check. Staff can view recent transactions. If funds were deducted incorrectly, take a photo of the display or get the transaction ID and contact Singtel support. Make sure to provide timestamps and screenshots for faster refunds or adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.